Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Want more plants in your garden? Of course, but did you know that you can quickly expand your collection by rooting stems trimmed from many of your outdoor plants? Today, I will tell you how my mom gets so many plants in her garden by the stem cutting of many plants. For the soil, you can add garden soil, coco peat, and river sand. Or you can only use coco peat or river sand. You are watching that my mom is cutting some aloe vera leaves. Now I will tell you the purpose of why is she cutting this. Woody plants such as shrubs and some perennials root best when treated with rooting hormone and placed into a potting mix. In here, my mom is using the aloe vera as a rooting hormone and a fungicide. It almost seems magical how these stems, when snipped at the right time, can develop roots and become brand new plants. Plus, stem cutting can give a full-grown plant in half the time it takes to start from seed. Supplies for cutting. Before you start snipping, make sure you have the equipment you need to grow a new plant. Don't just grab a pair of scissors. Be ready to apply rooting hormone and pot your new cuttings right away. Clean your cutting tools with hot soapy water before making cuttings to eliminate introducing any diseases to the cuttings. Next, you need to select a container. Good drainage is key. So choose a container with drainage holes where excess water can trickle out. Always use a rooting hormone. In the rooting hormone, you can use honey, aloe vera, or anything synthetic hormone. There is some things that you must keep in mind. Always cut your stems in the early morning. Early morning is usually the best time to harvest cuttings because plants usually have the most moisture at this time. Select a section of healthy growth that's 3 to 6 inches long. Point 2 is to remove the lower leaves. Clip off the leaves on the lower half of the shoot so you have a bare stem to insert into your potting mix. Then, if you want, dip the end of your stem into rooting hormone. This generally helps cuttings root more quickly. Keep your cutting humid by loosely wrapping it in clear plastic. You can also create a makeshift greenhouse. Keep your pot cutting in bright light but avoid direct sunlight. Some plants root more quickly than others, so be patient. On average, it takes a month or 2 for your cutting to root and become established enough that you can plant them. After 1 month, when my mom opened the plastic, the plant's health was like this. For more root establishment, my mom is covering it up with the packet. And until the end of the winter, my mom won't repot these plants. After winter, my mom will only repot them. My mom weekly opens the packet to remove any dried leaves or weeds. My mom also checks for the plant condition and gives some water. My mom opens the packet to also adjust the plant with the weather around it. Lastly, my mom is covering it with a plastic which has some holes in it. It helps the plant to adjust with the outer weather. I hope this video will help you expand your garden as well, and this will help you a lot. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.